Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Crypto.com, a popular cryptocurrency platform. To get started, you will need to download the Crypto.com app or visit their website. Once you have accessed the platform, click on Sign Up and follow the prompts to create an account. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. After creating your account, you will need to verify your identity. This is a security measure to prevent fraud and ensure that you are who you say you are. You will need to provide a government-issued ID and a proof of address. This process is usually quick and easy, and you will receive an email to confirm that your account has been verified. Once your account is verified, you can start using the platform. The first thing you will need to do is fund your account. You can do this by depositing cryptocurrency or fiat currency. To deposit cryptocurrency, simply click on the deposit button and follow the prompts. You will need to provide the address of the wallet that you want to deposit from. If you want to deposit fiat currency, you will need to link a payment method such as a bank account or credit card. Once you have funded your account, you can start buying and selling cryptocurrency. The platform supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. To buy cryptocurrency, simply click on the Buy button and follow the prompts. You will need to select the cryptocurrency that you want to buy and the amount that you want to purchase. You can also set a limit order, which allows you to buy cryptocurrency at a specific price. In addition to buying and selling cryptocurrency, Crypto.com also offers other features such as a wallet, a credit card, and a lending platform. The wallet allows you to store your cryptocurrency securely, while the credit card allows you to spend your cryptocurrency in the real world. The lending platform allows you to lend your cryptocurrency to others and earn interest. To keep your account secure, make sure to enable two-factor authentication and use a strong password. You should also be careful when clicking on links or providing sensitive information. It is also a good idea to diversify your portfolio by investing in different types of cryptocurrency. In conclusion, Crypto.com is a powerful platform that allows you to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrency. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can get started with using the platform and start investing in cryptocurrency. Remember to always keep your account secure and to do your own research before making any investment decisions.